I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Safari from the Dock, Finder, or Spotlight to start browsing quickly. The Smart Search field at the top accepts web addresses and search queries. Type an address or keywords and press Return to load a page. Use the back and forward arrows to navigate page history during a session. Click the plus button at the right of the tab bar to open a new tab. Pin important tabs by control-clicking the tab and choosing Pin tab for quick. Use Tab Overview to see all open tabs and switch or close them easily. Drag a tab to the left of the tab bar to create a new window when needed. Save useful pages with bookmarks or add them to the reading list for offline viewing. Open the Bookmarks sidebar to manage and organize saved pages into folders. Right-click any bookmark to rename, edit address, or delete it for better organization and faster access. Open Safari Preferences with Command Comma to adjust settings and privacy preferences. Enable Prevent Cross-Site Tracking in the Privacy tab to reduce targeted ads. Disable Auto Play under websites to stop videos from starting automatically on pages. Install useful extensions from the App Store and manage them in Extensions within Preferences. Use the Downloads button at the toolbar to see recent files or click Show in Finder to locate a download quickly on your Mac.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.